So time check guys, 6:30 in the evening. So we are here again, La Presa guys. So ito yung view nila guys during at night. So paalis na kami guys. Kasi kanina pa kami guys, 1 o'clock in the afternoon and now 6:30. So mag-end sila guys alas 7. So kaya 7 o'clock yung ano nila guys. Mag-end na diri guys. So bawal na maligo at around 7 o'clock, no? So pauwi na kami guys, hindi kami magstay dito sa resort. Although pauwi na kami ngayon guys. So ito yung view nila guys during at night, no? Napakaganda po. Maraming mga greeneries guys around. Yan. So pack up na kami guys, alit up na kami. Prepare na kami sa mga things namin para dalhin na namin guys. So ayan. So, my relatives from USA kasama namin. Ayan. So, ano yung pool nila guys. Look at this. Yung pool. Ito yung cottages nila guys here. So, pakita natin yung cottages. Punta tayo sa cottages. Dandahan na po tayo dito. So ito yon yung pool. Ayan, medyo mahaba yung pool nila guys. Look at guys. So dito yung ano guys, 3 to 5 feet here. Then dito naman yung pangbata. Doon sa kabila. Ito yung mga cottages nila guys, 1,000. Ayan guys, oh. Yung 1,000 na cottage. Look at guys, ang ganda po. Ayan. Dito po. Ayan, ang nice. So 1,000 each guys, yung cottage, no? May malaming mga halaman. Here. May video ako kanina guys, kaya lang may sounds. Kaya inuulit-ulit ko. Inuulit-ulit ko guys. So ito yung entrance nila. And look at the view. Ganda po. So ito yung pambata na pool. Ayan, pambata na pool, no? So ito yung kabuuan ng area nila guys. Medyo naman masyadong malaki yung area, but anyway, yung restroom nila, masama. La Presa guys, beach resort here in Toledo. So thank you guys for watching. Sana po nagustuhan nyo guys yung mga video ko ngayon guys. Alright. So pauwi na po kami. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cebuano Cusinero. Thank you.